Hello and welcome to English learning. Today's video is all about different faces you would find in the classroom if you carefully observe your friends. So, have you ever observed your friends or classmates in the classroom? I'm sure you must have done it during class tests or exams, isn't it? But I'm talking about regular classes. If you haven't, then you will definitely find this video interesting. So do watch the video till the end, and without wasting much time, let's begin. Faces in the classroom. Rahul was a very brilliant student in the class. He always stood first and was very good in games and sports. It was during his English class test that he observed one of his classmates who was trying to pretend as if he was recalling his answers whenever the teacher went near him. Rahul found it very amusing and started observing his friends daily. And here are his observations. Number 1. Attentive faces. Students under this category see, hear, and follow everything as instructed by the teacher. They note down each and everything the teacher writes on the board. They are always ready to answer any questions put before them. Such students are mostly found sitting in the front rows. Number 2. Semi-attentive faces. They see, hear, write everything, but they do not understand anything because they do not pay full attention. Number 3. Anti-attentive faces. They neither try to see, hear, write, nor try to follow anything. Such students are also known as absent-minded. Number 4. Pretending faces. They constantly smile when the teacher smiles, nod their heads when the teacher is explaining something, as if they have understood and followed everything. Fake it until you make it is their favorite quote. Number 5. Sleeping faces. Students under this category are found among the back benches in the classroom. They try their best to remain unnoticed by the teachers while they sit with their eyes shut. And number 6. Talkative faces. They are found mostly in the middle rows. Their work is to constantly talk and disturb others in the class. You will find them eating something, gossiping, laughing, basically busy in their own world. When the teacher is writing something on the blackboard, they will start talking. And when the teacher looks towards them, they start nodding their heads or fix their eyes in the book and pretend to look attentive. Which category do you belong to? Let me know in the comment section below. See you in my next video, and thank you so much for watching.